Next is question number 11. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1, g of x is x square plus 2x, h of x is 4 raised to power x, and g of x is 2 raised to power x. Part A is find the value of. Its first part is h of 3. H of 3 equals h of x is 4 raised to power x. So 4 raised to power 3. 4 cube is 64. H of 3 is 64. Second part is f of h of 3. F of, now h of 3 is 64 equals f of x is 2x minus 1. So 2 into 64 minus 1. 2 multiplied by 64 minus 1, which is 127. So f h of 3 is 127. Part B is solve the equation g f of x is equal to 0. G of x is x square plus 2x, and g f of x is equal to f of x is 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 its square plus 2 into 2x minus 1. Let's simplify it. This will be 4x square plus 1 minus 4x, and expanding this bracket, this will be 4x minus 2 is equal to 4x square minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and 4x minus 4x is 0, and it is given that g f of x is 0. So this implies that 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 4x square is equal to 1, x square is equal to 1 over 4, and then x is equal to plus minus 1 over 2. Then x is equal to 1 over 2, or x is equal to minus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 or minus 1 over 2. Part C is P inverse of x is equal to f of x. Find P of x. P inverse of x is equal to f of x. Then P of x is equal to f inverse of x. That means we have to calculate f inverse of x. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1, and let y is equal to f of x. This implies y is equal to 2x minus 1. From this, x is equal to y plus 1 over 2. And from this equation, x is equal to f inverse of y. F inverse of y is equal to y plus 1 over 2. Now replacing y with x, it will be f inverse of x is equal to x plus 1 over 2. And f inverse of x is p of x. So p of x is equal to x plus 1 over 2. X plus 1 over 2. Part D is h of x, j of x is equal to 1 over square root of 2. Find the value of x. H of x is 4 raised to power x and j of x is 2 raised to power x, which is equal to 1 over square root of 2. So it will be 2 raised to power 2x. 2 raised to power x is equal to, this is 2 raised to power minus 1 over 2. This side becomes 3x is equal to 2 raised to power minus 1 over 2. Now base is same, so powers are equal. 3x is equal to minus 1 over 2, and from this x is equal to minus 1 over 6. The value of x is minus 1 over 6.